What comes to your mind when you hear the word circle, a wheel, a pizza, or perhaps the sun or moon? These everyday objects all share one thing in common. Their shape replicates that of a circle. So, what exactly is a circle? A circle, in the simplest terms, is a two-dimensional geometric shape that is perfectly round and symmetrical. Every point on the circle is an equal distance from the center, creating a boundary that we refer to as the circumference. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the anatomy of a circle. The first term you should know is chord. A chord is a line segment with both endpoints on the circle. Imagine drawing a straight line that cuts across a pizza from one point on the crust to another. That's a chord. Next up, we have the diameter. The diameter is a special kind of chord, the longest one possible. It passes through the center of the circle, dividing it into two equal halves. Each of these halves is known as a semicircle. Then we have the radius, which is a line segment from the center of the circle to any point on its circumference. The radius is always half the length of the diameter. Think of it as the distance from the center of a wheel to its edge. Moving on, we encounter the arc. An arc is a portion of the circumference of a circle. If you trace a path around part of the edge of a pizza slice, you've just traced an arc. Now, what's a segment? A segment is the region between a chord and the arc it creates. Picture a slice of pizza again. The crust is the arc, the line you cut across the pizza is the chord, and the cheesy, delicious part in between is the segment. A sector, on the other hand, is the space between two radii and the arc they create. It looks like a slice of pie or pizza. Let's touch on some essential mathematical concepts related to circles. The area of a circle is the total space within its boundary. You calculate it by squaring the radius and multiplying by pi. The circumference of a circle is the total distance around it. It's calculated by multiplying the diameter by pi. Lastly, we have tangents, which are straight lines that touch the circle at exactly one point. Imagine a line that just grazes the edge of a wheel. That's a tangent. So, to recap, a circle is a round, symmetrical shape. Chords are lines that cut across circles, diameters are the longest possible chords, and radii are lines from the center to the edge. Arcs are parts of the circumference. Segments are spaces between chords and arcs, and sectors are pizza slice-shaped pieces of circles. Lastly, the area and circumference are mathematical properties of circles, and tangents are lines that just touch circles at one point. Congratulations, you've just delved into the fascinating world of circles, a world that's as round and infinite as the shape itself.